Let's try a trout catch and cook. Got this one just out of this river a little while ago. And I've got a rock out of the river on the Ozpig. Can you cook a trout on a hot rock? Now it's not super hot, so it's going to cook it slowly. So let's see how it goes. Trout catch and cook. She's been on there a few minutes. You can see it's starting to definitely cook. I might try to flip it over. It hasn't stuck to the rock too badly. It's definitely cooking. Trout catch and cook on a rock from the river. Cooking up pretty good. This one, the wings look like they're cooked. A few more minutes. Surprisingly, this trout looks cooked. Just giving the inside wings a dry out. Is the fish alright? The fish is gorgeous. It's only just cooked on the wings, but it's delicious.